You would think a piece of Starburst candy, all pink, wouldn't be this hard to open. Anyways, don't be alarmed, guys. It's just a tan. No, really. What happened was I was at the beach and I was out there all day, tanning, butt naked, with a reflector. No, not really. My bad. My name is D-Mogul, and I'm crashing the party today. So let's get into the video, shall we? Alright. So today, I'm going to be talking about the Canon. You're staring at me. Okay. Oh, man. This is going to be so hard. So before I continue, I am filming on the EOS R6 right now, so I can't put it in my hand and show it to you. But my shutter speed is 1/50, my aperture is at 2.8, and my ISO is at 400. I am using the 15 to 35 millimeter RF lens, but I have it set to 24 millimeters right now. That is at 15 millimeters, so you see what kind of an angle I get at 15. And I'm literally standing half a foot away from the lens. But I want to get a little bit more. But we're going to stick to 24 millimeters right now because it's not about showing my surroundings. It's about me discussing with you sitting in front of the camera here. All right, so I haven't noticed this camera overheat not once. Never had an indication that it was overheating. I've been waiting for it to overheat actually so I can kind of have a range of how long I have to be able to use it. Now the max amount of recording this does is 4K 60. I rarely record in 4K 60, but I do record in 120 frames per second in 1080p. Now, I've never seen an indicator tell me that was overheating at any point in time in any of those modes. And I also did a live stream with the 4K setting through Zoom for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now, granted, the battery was halfway when I started this live stream. It lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes on the rest of the battery power. So other than that, it didn't overheat. The indicator did say, oh, running out of power, shutting down, and it closed out. And I had to use my webcam camera to finish the live Zoom meeting.
Baby, highly emotional, baby, highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally. Highly emotional, baby, highly emotional, baby, highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally. Highly emotional, baby.
totally done crashing the party now, guys. But anyways, with all that being said, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for sticking through the whole video if you did. And there's a few things you can click on to watch the other video. Watch, you know, subscribe to some channels. If you go to the cards at the top, you can click to see some more content. And yeah, it's dope. Glad I could crash the party. And yeah, I got nothing. That's it. Nothing else. Anyways, thanks. Bye.
Thank you.